Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating homemade bodybuilding supplements and powders using easily accessible materials. Today, we will explore different types of supplements that can aid in muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. By making your own supplements at home, you can ensure that you know exactly what goes into them, avoiding unnecessary additives and saving money. Protein powder. Protein powder is a staple for bodybuilders as it helps in muscle repair and growth. You can make your own protein powder at home using a blend of whey protein, easily found in health food stores. Oats, for added fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates. Almonds, for healthy fats and additional protein. Dried milk powder, to enhance the protein content further. Cocoa powder, for flavor and additional antioxidants. Recipe: 1. Ingredients: 2 cups of whey protein, 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of almonds, 1/2 cup of dried milk powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2. Preparation: grind oats and almonds into a fine powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly in a large bowl. 3. Storage: store the mixture in an airtight container and use as needed. Usage: mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of this homemade protein powder with water, milk, or a smoothie for a nutritious post-workout shake. Creatine. Creatine is known for enhancing strength and power during workouts. You can create a homemade version by combining creatine monohydrate, available in supplement stores. Carbohydrate source, such as fruit juice for better absorption. Electrolytes. Add a pinch of sea salt to enhance hydration. Recipe: 1. Ingredients: 5 grams of creatine monohydrate, 8 ounces of fruit juice, a pinch of sea salt. 2. Preparation: mix creatine monohydrate and sea salt with fruit juice. 3. Usage: consume immediately before or after your workout for best results. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. BCAAs are essential for muscle recovery and reducing muscle fatigue. You can make your own BCAA supplement by mixing leucine, isoleucine, valine. Recipe: 1. Ingredients: 2 parts leucine, 1 part isoleucine, 1 part valine. 2. Preparation: measure and mix the amino acids in the correct proportions. 3. Storage: store the mixture in a dry, cool place. Usage: use about 5 to 10 grams of this mixture during or after workouts to support muscle recovery. Glutamine. Glutamine is beneficial for immune function and muscle recovery. You can create a homemade glutamine powder using pure glutamine powder, found in health food stores. Natural sources, such as spinach and parsley, if you prefer a more natural approach. Recipe: 1. Ingredients: 5 grams of pure glutamine powder or a blend of spinach and parsley. 2. Preparation: if using pure glutamine powder, measure out 5 grams. If using natural sources, blend spinach and parsley, strain the juice. 3. Usage: mix the powder with water or a post-workout shake, or drink the natural juice blend immediately. Pre-workout powder. A good pre-workout supplement can boost your energy and focus during workouts. You can make your own pre-workout powder using caffeine for an energy boost, beta-alanine to enhance endurance, citrulline malate to improve blood flow. Recipe: 1. Ingredients: 200 milliliters of caffeine from coffee or caffeine powder, 3 grams of beta-alanine, 6 grams of citrulline malate. 2. Preparation: mix all the ingredients together in a shaker bottle. Usage: consume 20-30 minutes before your workout. Additional tips: 1. Hydration: ensure you stay well hydrated, as proper hydration is crucial for muscle function and recovery. 2. Balanced diet: supplements should complement a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. 3. Consistent routine: incorporate these supplements consistently into your routine to maximize their benefits. 4. Consult professionals: always consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist before adding any new supplements to your regimen to ensure they are suitable for your individual needs. 5. Proper dosage: stick to recommended dosages to avoid any adverse effects and to ensure optimal results. 6. Quality ingredients: always source high-quality ingredients to ensure the effectiveness and safety of your homemade supplements. 7. Record keeping. Keep a journal of your supplement intake, workout routines, and how your body responds to these homemade supplements. Conclusion. By making your own bodybuilding supplements at home, you can tailor them to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, the key to success in bodybuilding is not just supplements, but a combination of proper nutrition, consistent training, and adequate rest. Homemade supplements can be an effective and economical way to support your fitness goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create effective and affordable homemade bodybuilding supplements. Stay dedicated, stay informed, and achieve your fitness goals with confidence.